Good morning, students. In the last class, exercise 10.4, 8, 9 sums completed. Now write down 10th problem in 10.4. So 10.4, 10 sum. Write down the problem and read the problem 2 or 3 times. A metallic cylinder of diameter 5 centimeters and height 3 by 3 centimeters is melted and cast into a sphere. What is its diameter? So see the problem again. Metallic cylinder. The problem contains cylinder. A metallic cylinder of diameter 5 centimeters and height 3 by 3 centimeters is melted and cast into a sphere. So cylinder is converted into sphere through melting. Then find out diameter of the sphere. Okay now. So here the problem contains cylinder and a sphere, and cylinder is converted into sphere through melting. Okay na? So cylinder is converted into sphere through melting. Find diameter of the sphere. That is about the problem. So see the problem. So remember, first of all, cylinder is there. Later it is converted into sphere through melting. Remember, when one object is converted into other one, volumes are equal. When one object is converted into other object, volumes are equal. So cylinder is converted into sphere. Automatically volumes are equal. Volume of cylinder and volume of sphere both are equal, because cylinder is converted into sphere through melting. Then first we talk about cylinder. First cylinder. First we will do about cylinder. Next we will do about sphere. Then automatically volumes are equal. First cylinder. What is there about cylinder? Diameter equal to 5 centimeters. Diameter equal to 5 centimeters about cylinder. Diameter 5 centimeters. What is radius? Diameter by 2. Radius equal to diameter by 2. 5 by 2. 5 by 2. So diameter 5. Radius equal to diameter by 2. 5 by 2. Height. Height how much? 1 by 3. It is a mixed fraction. Centimeters. 1 by 3 centimeters. Convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 3s are 9 plus 1. 10 by 3 centimeters. Okay na? So diameter 5. Radius equal to diameter by 2. 5 by 2. We can write 2.5 or no need. Height equal to 1 by 3 centimeters. 3 3s are 9 plus 1. 10 by 3 centimeters. Then volume. Volume. Volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder formula. What is volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder, pi r square h. So what is volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. Pi value 22 by 7 into r square. R how much? 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into h value 10 by 3. H value 10 by 3. H value how much? 10 by 3. Then leave it. Then go for sphere. Sphere. Then about sphere. What is volume of the sphere? Volume of the sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into r cube. That is about sphere. Now volume of the cylinder completed, volume of the sphere completed. Now what we know, cylinder is converted into sphere. Automatically volumes are equal. So here cylinder is converted into sphere. Cylinder is converted into sphere. Then implies volume of sphere equal to volume of cylinder. Volume of sphere, volume of cylinder, both are equal. Okay na? Now, what is the volume of the sphere? 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube. What is volume of the cylinder? 22 by 7 into 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 10 by 3. See cancellation. 22 by 7, 22 by 7 cancel. 22 by 7, 22 by 7 cancel. So cylinder volume pi r square h, sphere volume 4 by 3 pi r cube, both are equal because cylinder is converted into sphere. So 22 by 7, 22 by 7 cancel. Then what is left? 4 by 3 into r cube equal to 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 10 by 3. Then 4 by 3 is moving from left to right. It becomes r cube equal to 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 10 by 3 into 3 by 4. Okay na? So 4 by 3 becomes 3 by 4. Then see cancellation. 3 cancel. 3 cancel. Then 2 table 5 times 2 times. Then what is left? R cube equal to 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. R cube equal to 5 by 2 whole cube. 3 cancel. R equal to 5 by 2. Radius of the sphere equal to 5 by 2. R equal to 5 by 2. Then what we want? Diameter. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. What is diameter? 2 into radius. 2 into 5 by 2. 2 cancel, 5 centimeters. So volume of the sphere equal to volume of the cylinder. What is volume of the sphere? 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube equal to 22 by 7 into 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 10 by 3. 22 by 7, 22 by 7 cancel. Then what is left? 4 by 3 into r cube equal to 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 10 by 3. Then 4 by 3 is moving to right side. It becomes reciprocal. 4 by 3 becomes 3 by 4. 3 cancel. 2 table 5 times 2 times. Then what is left? R cube equal to 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. How many times? 3 times. 3 cancel. R equal to 5 by 2. Diameter D equal to 2 into R. 2 into radius 5 by 2. 2 cancel, 5 centimeters. Therefore, diameter of the sphere. Diameter of sphere equal to 5 centimeters. That is about problem number. That is about problem number 10. Now we will see problem number 11. Problem number 11 is 10.4 problem number 11. How many liters of milk? How many liters of milk? How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeters hold? So we need to find out how many liters of milk that hemispherical bowl contains. See the problem. How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeters hold? So we need to find out how many liters of milk is there. So the problem is about hemispherical bowl. Hemisphere. The problem is about hemisphere. Okay na? The problem is about hemisphere. Diameter 10.5 centimeters. Diameter 10.5. Radius equal to diameter by 2. Radius equal to diameter by 2. 10.5 by 2. 10.5 by 2. Radius equal to diameter by 2. 10.5 by 2. So we need to find out volume. How it is known to you? The word liters is there. See the word liters means we need to find out volume. Okay na? So hemisphere diameter 10.5, radius equal to diameter by 2. 10.5 by 2. Volume of the hemisphere. Volume of the hemisphere formula 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2/3 pi r cube. Volume of the hemisphere 2/3 pi r cube. Then 2 by 3 pi value 22 by 7 into r cube 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2. Then see cancellation. 2 cancel first. Then 222 11 times. Then 3 10.5 3.5 times. Then 7 10.5 1.5 times. Then again 2 11 5.5 times. See again cancellation. First one 2 cancel. Second one 222 11 times. Third one 2 11 5.5 times. Then 3 10.5 3.5 times. 7 10.5 1.5 times. Then what is left? 5.5 into 3.5 into 1.5 into 10.5. See multiplication. 55 into 35. How much? 35 into 5 175. 35 into 5 175 192 into 15. 15 5s are 75. 15 2s are 30 plus 7 37. 15 9s are 135 plus 3 138. 15 1s are 15 28. 28875. So 15 5s are 75. 15 2s are 30 plus 7 37. 15 9s are 135 plus 3 138. 15 1s are 15 13 28 into 105. Into 105. So 125, how much? 525. 105 into 7, 735. 735 plus 52. 7, 8, 7, 787. 787. Then 105 into 8, 840. 840 plus 78. How much? 8, 11. Then 9, 918. So 918, 8. Then 105 into 8 again, 840. 840, 1, 3, 9, 931. So 931. 105 into 2, 210 plus 93, 303. So multiplication 303, 1875. About decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. So centimeter cube. 303.1875 centimeter cube. But we want answer in liters. So 303.1875 centimeter cube. Convert centimeter cube into liters. So divide with 1000. 303.1875 by 1000 liters. So divide with 1000. Decimal point moves 3 places towards left. So the point is moving to here. 0.303 liters of milk. So the bowl contains 0.303 liters of milk. Thank you, students. In the next class, we discuss about the remaining sums. Thank you, students.